My name is Bob Enemchoku. I bring you episode 5 concerning the ancient tradition of Africa and Igbo land in particular. The word of the Lord made us understand in the book of 1 Kings chapter 18, verse 31, verse 32, and Elijah took 12 stones, according to the number of the tribe of sons of Jacob, unto whom the word of the Lord came, saying, Israel shall be thy name. And with the stones he built an altar in the name of the Lord, and he made a trench about the altar, as great as wood, stating 2 measures of seeds. When we go to the book of Joshua chapter 4, we also see where God commanded Joshua that every 12 tribes of Israel, one person should go into the river Jordan, carry 1 stone out, which they used to build an altar for the God of Abraham. When you go to shrines where they worship idols in Africa today and Igbo land today, you will see big lumps of stones in front of that shrine. Where did Africans and where did Igbo people learn that from? It's from the scriptures. The problem is that idols came into Africa and came into Igbo land to pollute the original culture and system of worshiping God in Africa and Igbo land. My name is Bob Enemchoku. I will continue on telling you about the danger of idol worshipping in Africa and Igbo land. Have a nice day.